All right, everybody, here's your Core Bites number 94. Please check your answers on your paper. Number 1 says list the factor pairs of 32. So all you're doing is you're trying to see what numbers you would multiply together to get 32. So 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and then 4 times 8. So those are the numbers you would multiply together to get 32. For number 2, it says find the sum or difference. So either you're adding or subtracting. So go ahead and look before you start. So we're adding, subtracting, subtracting. 6 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 5 plus 4. So 9,786. Here we are going to have to regroup because you can't take something from nothing, right? So all those are going to become 9 except for the last one. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 214. Same thing for your last one. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So your answer for that last one is 2. And then for number 3, using fractions, which sentence is true? All right, so we have 3 and 1/4, so let's see. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then you have 1/4, so that one's pretty good. This one would be 2 as your whole number, so that doesn't make any sense. And then 3 plus a half plus a half. A half and a half actually would give you a whole, so that would equal 4, so that's not right. So your best answer would be A. For number 4, what is the perimeter and the area? So for perimeter, you just add all the sides together. So it is a square, so you could just do it, you could actually multiply it or just add 6.2 meters 4 times. So I'm just going to multiply it because we know they're all the same size. So you're going to do 6.2 times 4, or you could do 6.2 plus 6.2 plus 6.2 plus 6.2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. Bring over your decimal 1 spot because of right there, and then you have meters. So that would be your perimeter. Excuse me. Perimeter. And then for the area, you're going to multiply length times width. So for this, they're the same, but you still got to multiply them because perimeter is the outside, area is the filling of it, what takes up the inside. So 6.2 times 6.2. 2-digit times 2-digit, basically. So let me switch my colors for that. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Hold the spot. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37. So you get 4, 4, 8, 3. 2 decimal spots. And then it is meters squared because you're doing area. And so that would be your area. And then for your last question, what is the following? What does it represent? So that is a line because it goes on and on forever. If it was a line segment, you would have points on the end. If it was a ray, you'd have 1 point with 1 arrow, like the sun, right? So please check yours.